Hello everybody, this is a Lamley unboxing. Hot Wheels 2022 N case, but check out the code, there's not an L there, it's a C. C4982 means international case or worldwide case. Cases that you'll see obviously in countries other than the US and also in like some grocery stores, things like that. But there's those two different kind of codes that they do. This is a standard N case, and I know that because when I do international cases, they almost always come from Ken over at A&J Toys. That ANJToys.com is what you want to focus on, because you can go buy this M case. We did the M case unboxing too from him. It's always nice to do the international unboxings. And let's just get to it. We did the M case, and there's always been questions like, are there supers in the international cases? Yes, there are, because I pulled one. Didn't even know it was there. Like, I pulled it out. I forgot what the super was in the M case, and sure enough, towards the end, I pulled the Mustang Super. That was a shocker. Kind of fun. Love doing that stuff. Love pulling supers. All right, let's just get to it. We've done 2 N cases already. We've done the U.S. case that Mattel sent, and then they also sent the the Zamak case. So we're going to be 3 for 3 on N cases, but you always look with the international cases. What's different? Is there a different assortment? I noticed the M case, the Maxima wagon, there were 3 in there. I think there was 1 or something in the first one I did from the M case. So it's always interesting, always good to see what's in here. Some things are missing, some things are not. We're already going to start strong, right? Because I've noticed with the N case, there has been a high desire to find that middle model. This is probably one of the most sought after regular treasure hunts in years. It is the 98 Subaru Impreza 22B STI version, and they've done it with this cool deco and done it in regular. I hope we see it as the Super one of these days, but they gave it the detailing in the front. Kind of glares in the sun, but it's a very, very cool regular treasure hunt. I'll put it off to the side. Nice to know that we already have that one. There's the Aristorat as well. We'll go through these because you've seen these cars before. We're just going to see Max Steel. We've seen that one. DiMacchini Veloci recolor in blue, which is fantastic. Toyota Supra, also highly desired from both cases. There's the Corvette, the then of the then and now. We've seen the Lotus of Avia. You guys have been helping me, and I'm going to always get it wrong, but that is just a really cool casting. And then the Snowstormer. Mercury Cougar, Ford Mustang, Aristorat again. Seen multiples, a lot of multiples in these cases, which is nice. There's the Arkham Asylum Batmobile. There is another Maxima drift car. Just such a fantastic casting. Max Steel. Hopefully the wind isn't too windy. Lightning Bug or Lightning Bug. Range Rover Classic, really like the recolor on that one. And then the Chevy Silverado. Trail Boss LT in the Borla Deco, which is cool too. Koenigsegg, nice. Acura NSX, also nice. Pagani Zonda R, one of the big highlights from this case. Very, very nice. Folks loving that one, picking that one up like crazy. Hopefully we'll see multiples in the international case too. Corvette Gasser, Lay-In Lowrider, Dodge Challenger SRT. I think that's unique to this case, or new to that case, I should say. Chevy Silverado, the tuned recolor, custom Chevy pickup. Love the recolor of the Chevy Fleetline and Moon Eyes Deco in the matte black. That's a winner. Lots of winners in these cases of late. 69 Chevy Camaro or convertible Camaro convertible. Cyber Speeder 5 alarm. Altered Ego. There's the Lucid Air recolor in white. Like the silver, love the white. Just seems to make a lot of sense with that one. Arkham Asylum Batmobile just looks cool in white. And then the Art Car Velocita, this funny plane thing called the Water Bomber, and the Lotus Sport Elise. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. I'm trying to remember what the Super is on this one too. We'll find the regular and then know, right? Lancia Delta Integrale, Cyber Speeder again. There's the TV series Batmobile. I love the colors on this. Very retro, nostalgic. The purple is very that old school purple Batman color, which is kind of cool. I like that one. Arkham Asylum Batmobile. Does it seem like we've pulled this Batmobile in like 96 cases in a row? Lotus Avia again, and then there's that TV Batmobile again. Donut Drifter, second Pagani, which is nice. We want at least 2 of those. Koenigsegg Gemera, also nice. Donut Drifter, Toyota Supra again, BMW R9T Racer in black. That's the recolor from the white version. Electro Silhouette, Shelby Cobra 427, and the Camaro convertible. Supercharge is cool, done as like a funny car, like a modern funny car. There's the Twin Mill 3. I'm showing those, make sure I'm showing them right, in the Hummer EV recolor. Dodge Charger Art Car, which is cool. There's another Maxima Drift car, so we're rolling in those, which is nice. And then the Big Air Bel Air in pink. Loving that casting. Waiting for it to be a super. Just seems like a natural super treasure hunt. It's got to be soon that we'll see that. Lolux recolor in blue. Volvo 850 Estate. And we'll go Volvo and Volvo. 2 for 2 on Volvo wagons and 2 very different designs, right? The more stock version by Rio Asada in the straight black. That one's just so mean. And then the incredible Volvo 240 Drift Wagon. Fraser did this. Fraser, F-R-A-S-E-R, designed this. Fraser Campbell designed this one for Hot Wheels, which is just super, super cool. That ghost deco's there. You just got to really look for it. See it there? It says 240 there on the door. And then the mismatched wheels. Just so cool. '84 Mustang SVO, that was the Super that we pulled in the last one. There's the TV series Batmobile. If this one had real riders, it would be the Super. That's it. It's the Audi Avant RS2. Funny how I forget which one is which, but if that one had the real riders, it would be the Super. It is one of my favorite of the year only because I love the casting so much. I have that one to show. I hope it would be fun to find it because it's so cool. Lotus Sport Elise in yellow. There's the Electro Silhouette and then the 240 Drift Wagon. Again, so 2 of those, which is nice. And then to finish off, Camaro in green. There's the Silverado again. The Hummer EV recolor. And kind of a drab way to end it. But Velocita, Supercharged, and the Rescue Duty. There you go. Lots to like in this particular case. I would say the Volvo, I mean, there's a lot. The Volvo and the Pagani are probably the big highlights there. You guys tell me what you think. That is the International End Case. That's what everyone is looking for. Thank you, Ken, for sending it. Thanks, everybody. Bye.